Whoa. Sorry. Hi. How you doing? That's skin. Well, today is Friday, September 30th, and I did absolutely nothing with my day. But that's okay because it's supposed to be a lazy day. I'm off of school. What are you supposed to do? Homework? No. Leave that for Sunday night at 12 o'clock midnight before Monday. My hair keeps falling in my face. Okay, well, this is an update for just about everything, I guess. Yeah. Yep. Public schools are great. You make lots of friends and become such a better person, and you start to learn how to handle the world, situations, and how to handle money. Because you need to learn how to handle money. If you don't know how to handle money, you're basically screwed for lunchtime like every day. Because you are just wasteful. I'm wasteful with money. I realize that now. I should never have money. If I ever have money, I won't use it. I was interrupted because somebody entered my room without knocking. That is bad mojo bobo ho ho. Anyway, as I was saying, public schools are great. You get to learn the ins and outs of life. Get to learn what high school's all about. What is high school all about? I still don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what it's about. I don't know what it is. I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know. I'm so lost. But I've realized you get more friends in a public high school than in a public What are you doing? I'm trying to make a video. Oh, yeah, mirror. Okay, I'm so distracted. You make more friends and you have more fun and you become a better person. You learn who you are in high school. And I think that when you don't have restrictions to learn who you are, you actually learn who you are. And it's a great chance to go to a public high school because you learn who you are. How many times did I say that? Who you are. Okay, well that's enough of me, my face for today. Goodbye. The light is really horrible and you guys are like, oh my god, what is So I'm going to leave you with this message. Don't procrastinate. Actually, no, I can't tell you that because I procrastinate all the time and it's not good for me, but I still do it. And this is going to be a 4-minute long video, so I better go now before it becomes like a 10-minute video. Bye. I'm not going to eat you. I'm not going to eat you. Bye.